You're completely soaked. Soak.
It's terrible out there. I had an umbrella, but it was useless against the heavy rain.
I can see that. Do you have a change of clothes? Change of clothes.
No, I don't.
I have some extra clothes in my office. I started keeping shirts and pants in the office after I got soaked in a rainstorm last summer. Rainstorm.
What a great idea!
We're about the same size. Let me get you a shirt and pants to change into.
You're a lifesaver. Thanks.
Lifesaver. No worries. I'm happy to help. Make sure to check the weather forecast next time. Weather forecast.
I will, and I will definitely keep extra clothes in the office.